What's up, kindergarten? I hope you guys are doing well. The last time you guys were doing a math assignment, you guys were working on counting some tallies. So today we're going to work on looking at our numbers and also counting as we're looking at those numbers, okay? So what I need you to do is I need you to get out a scrap piece of paper. It can be a back of a worksheet, it can be a coloring page, it doesn't matter. Just probably a big blank space for you guys to write on, okay? I want you to go ahead and I want you to write the number 10, and as you're writing it, I want you to repeat after me, okay? Are you ready? The man went straight down like a stick, and the woman went around in a circle until she got home. Okay? Say number 10. 10. Go ahead and write the number 10 again. Okay? We're going to come down here and we're going to count it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this next time when you are counting with me, I want you to you can make circles, you can make slash marks, it doesn't matter, okay? But as you're counting, you're going to make some sort of a mark, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Let's come down here, okay? All right, so this part you can't do on a piece of paper, okay? But we're going to look for the number 10, okay? So the number 10 is a 1 and a 0, okay? Tell me, how many can you spot? How many 10s can you spot? I spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I spot 7 10s, okay? All right, we're going to count again. As we count, I want you to make some sort of slashes. Actually, if you can go ahead and make a tower like this with 10 boxes, count with me, okay? I'll give you more time as we're counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right, we're going to skip this one. We're not going to worry about this one. Now we're going to do this one, okay? So this is talking about sequencing, okay? So we're going to fill this in. I need you to write the number 9 on your scrap piece of paper. And I need you to write the number that comes after 9. So think about it. 8, 9, write that number. Write 10, 1 and a 0. So it's 9, 10, 11. Go ahead and write that on your piece of paper. You are going to now draw me a picture that has 10 things, okay? So it could be 10 circles, it can be 10 slashes, it could be 10 hearts, it doesn't matter. Make them kind of small so you have plenty of room. And now you're going to write the number 10 again. And then you're going to, actually we're going to skip tallying it, okay? So that was all about the number 10. Let's move on. We're going to do a couple more today. All right, what number is this? Everybody say 11. Okay, repeat after me. And draw as you repeat after me. Straight down like a stick, straight down like a stick. Straight down like a stick, straight down like a stick. Okay, you were drawing on your paper 2 11s. That's what you were doing during that time. Let's go ahead and let's count. As I'm counting, you guys can make something on your paper. It can be circles, it doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, this time don't draw anything, just count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. We're going to skip this one. We're going to skip this one. We're going to do this one right here. We're going to do our sequencing. I need you to write the number 10. I need you to write a line. And then I need you to write the number 12. Okay, let's fill this in. 10. What number is going to go here? What comes after 10? 9, 10. Write in 11. And then 12. All right. I need you to draw something that has 11. So 11 circles, it doesn't matter. Draw something that has 11. And then I need you to write the number 11. Okay, we're going to come down here. We're going to work on number 12 now, okay? So we're going to say it, 12. Now we're going to write it. Man went straight down like a stick. The woman went to the right, down to the left, for a straight line across. Draw the number 12 again. And say 12. Now let's count these fishes, okay? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Let's come down here. Let's do our sequencing again. So 10, 11, 13. What's missing right here? 11, say 12, 13. So you're going to draw 12 of something, and then you're going to write the number 12. Okay, now we're going to do 13. Straight down like a stick. Then man went to the right and around again. Straight down like a stick. The man went to the right and around again. Say 13. You should have 2 13s. Let's go ahead, let's count. Just count with me. You don't have to draw anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We'll skip our 10 boxes, 10 frame boxes. And then let's just do our sequencing. So what comes after 12? 12, 14. What comes after 12? 11, 12. Say 13 and write 12, 13, and 14. Go ahead and write that on your paper. I want you to draw something with 13, maybe 13 circles, and then I want you to write the number 13. Okay, last number we're going to work on for today. 14, say 14. Repeat after me while you're writing. The man went straight down like a stick. The man went down the street, to the right, back up for a straight ride down. 14. Go ahead and do it again. The man went down the street. Sorry, the man went straight down like a stick. The man went down the street, to the right, back up for a straight ride down. Let's count these butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, we're going to come down here. We're going to work on our sequencing. So 12, 13, 15. What number is missing? 13, say 14. So 13, 14, 15. Write that on your paper. 13, 14, 15. I need you to write 14 of something, 14 circles, butterflies, hearts, and then I want you to write the number 14. And that is it for today, okay? I hope that is helpful. Bye, guys.